Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can get the code to add a friend on your Frameo digital picture frame. Really easy to do. I'm going to show you two different ways. The first way, which is the easiest, is just tap the screen and then there's a little icon here for add friends. If you were to tap that, it's going to come up with a code. You need to give this code to your friend and then they will enter that onto their Frameo app and then you'll be linked to them then and then they can send photos to your frame. But the code's only valid for a certain amount of time. So right now this code is valid for roughly 12 hours and it says your friend only needs to do this once, so you don't have to keep giving them a code. So that's the first way of doing it. Another way of doing it is via the settings menu. So tap the screen and then you have a little gear icon here. That's the settings menu. And then we can go to my friends here. This will list your friends, but on the top right hand side we have that same little icon. So we're just going to tap that icon there and again it will come up with the code there. Nice and straightforward. Thanks for watching.